Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mini mousse cake, easy method. Chill your mixing bowl and measure ingredients before you start to ensure smooth mousse. Use high-quality chocolate and room temperature eggs for better texture. Fold whipped cream gently to keep air in the mousse. Pipe into small molds, tap to remove bubbles, then chill until set. Serve chilled with fresh berries and a dusting of cocoa. Start by gathering all ingredients and tools on your counter for a smooth workflow. Melt chocolate gently over a double boiler to avoid seizing and let it cool slightly. Whip cream to soft peaks and whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale and fluffy. Combine cooled chocolate with yolk mixture, then fold in whipped cream slowly to retain volume. Spoon into molds, chill for a few hours, and unmold carefully before serving. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, stay hydrated during baking with the Owala water bottle, a leak-proof, insulated bottle that keeps drinks cold and fits most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can find this bottle. It makes kitchen prep more pleasant and keeps you sipping while cakes chill. Now let's get back to the video. To assemble, pipe mousse into molds in 2 fills to avoid air gaps and smooth the top with a spatula. Press in a thin biscuit base or leave as is for a lighter finish, then chill thoroughly for best texture. For glaze, warm a simple mirror glaze and pour over semi-frozen cakes for shine. Garnish with berries, mint, or chocolate shavings for contrast. Serve chilled and store in the fridge for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.